Welcome to Kimika's Canadian brand guide on how to wax your legs using warm wax. Here's how to achieve smooth salon quality results from the comfort of your home. First, heat the wax in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it reaches the consistency of warm honey. Next, cleanse your legs with Kimika's pre-waxing cleanser to ensure it's free of oils and impurities. Now, apply an ultra-thin layer of wax in the direction of the hair growth. Place the wax strip on the top and press firmly to ensure it sticks well. Hold the skin taut with one hand and with the other, quickly pull the strip in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Repeat the process on the other areas of your legs. If you experience any discomfort, gently apply pressure to the waxed area. To remove any lingering wax residue, apply Kimika's Wax Off Oil, followed by our soothing post-waxing vitamin E lotion to calm and nourish your skin. Enjoy professional results right at home. For more tips and products, visit our website or follow us on social media. Happy waxing!